with dear sweetie. Hey sweetie, we love baby.
Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber and #1 supporter, then thank you boo so much for coming back. If you're not already subscribed, chill, go ahead and subscribe now. Be part of the sweetie gang. Okay, I'm on my way to church right now. I'm just leaving like 5 minutes actually, but I just thought to start off the vlog. I'm hot, so I've turned off my fan. But this is what we're looking like. I just did like very minimal makeup. Can you even tell? It's giving skin with no skin. I don't even know what that means. But yeah, but this is what I have going on. This black top, and then I have this trousers. But yeah, I just wanted to start a vlog now. Everywhere is a mess, as you can imagine, but let's go to church. I think I'm gonna brief you guys more about church when I get back. There's a whole backstory. You're probably like, huh? I'm gonna take water. After church, I want to run some errands and buy some groceries. She's really comfortable. I want to run some errands and buy some groceries. Why don't I have 3 hands, guys? Why do not I not have 3 hands? But okay, I'm already sweating, so let's go. Love you. Hey guys, good morning. So I just wanted to go, this is my lunch for today. It's cabbage sauce and plantain with cucumber and rice. So the cabbage sauce has more cucumber, carrots, peas, yeah, that's it, and cabbage of course, and onions. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it looks so yummy. I'm so hungry. Well, you guys, I'm so late for work. But yeah, let me just go. Bye.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, it's only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even love.
Happy Friday. Sorry about the noise if you can hear it. I've done a few things today, and a few more to go, honestly. So the carpenter came to take measurements because, you guys, I'm finally getting a couch. But yeah, I'm finally getting a couch in my space and I'm so excited. And I feel like you guys are going to really like the color. But yeah, so you know, the carpenter and I just talked about it, and then we also talked about like other furniture I want to do, you know, just like to get pricing and like estimates basically on some other stuff. But as you saw, I washed my hair. I'm going to get my hair done today. I'll do a bit of maintenance today, get my hair done. I'll show you guys the hair I'm using. It's actually the one I used the last time. I just washed it and I'm reusing it because mind your business.
Feels like I forget tonight. Good boys are Leo. Good boys are Leo. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are Leo. Good boys are Leo. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, loving my good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin.
Ooh, are you hungry? I'm hungry. Okay, bye. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber and #1 supporter, then thank you boo so much for coming back. Okay, so today is Thursday. I went out on a stroll and then I just decided to stop by my local supermarket or store, whatever you want to put it, shame, to get some things for the house. So let me show you guys what I got. So first off, I picked up this cranberry juice. I also picked up cowbell sugar. I feel like this is like my best chocolate drink. Milo is obviously very good, but this is like very good too. Then I also picked up milk tea as well. Milk tea. I picked up this one. So I got this. I like getting this one because this one has panty liners as well, and yeah, it just really lasts. I picked up this thing, so they are like, girl, I don't even know what to call them. Well, yeah, they just help, like your feet smell nice, I guess. So this is the one I got. I got it in rolls. I got my hair done and I didn't show you guys because, yeah. But this is what I got done. And then the back. So yeah. Hey guys, I really love this top. I mean, how are you guys doing? I'm going out right now. So I'm going to see my friend Kay. You guys, this guy has been in Lagos for 2 years. I'm joking. He's been in Lagos for like almost a year or a little over a year. And I've not seen him. He used to not stay in Lagos, and I'm like, Kay, come to Lagos, come to Lagos. And now he has been in Lagos for a minute and I've not seen him. So I am going to see him. Just to hang out with him and what friend I don't know. And I also cooked. I also cooked for him as well. So do I? No, I do not. So I just have that little bag here. And I was literally about to leave. And you guys saw what I'm wearing, obviously. I have this top from, it's thrifted. Thrifted by any. Something like that. And then my jeans is thrifted from, I don't know, but I got it a long time ago. All my jewelry is from Everything by Uniqueen. My hair is Lush hair. This bag, I'm not gonna type a brand. Anyways, So yeah, that's what we got going on. So this one's CK. I did not mention, but today's Saturday. Happy Saturday. This fuel issue in the country, yo, Sona. I'm really scared to see how much everything's gonna be today. Fuel is 1K per liter. God, go with us. Oh yeah, let's go.
You guys see my sugar daddy. My sugar daddy. That horse fitting.
Yeah. How are you?
Hey guys, so I finally got to my friend's studio, and apparently he's supposed to have a client, but I'm going to help him make content. So yeah, should I show you guys around? So the person is going to do their makeup here, and then it's like a studio thing. Yeah.